Alright guys, today we're gonna try to plow some really icy, sleet-packed snow with the KFI plow and the CFORCE 1000. I took the plow shoes off so I could just go right with the blade on the surface. So the shoes kind of help save the blade from wearing so much and just keeping some of the weight off the blade. But this snow is like, it's more just like ice. Let's see. So we got like a half an inch and then maybe like a quarter inch of like really tough ice. So I took the shoes off so I can get right to the surface. I'm gonna do this driveway over here and see if it gets underneath it. But this right here, like going at this with a shovel, really tough. Like the top layer's not bad. So if you only have a shovel, I would shovel off the loose layer, put some salt down if you don't mind using salt, and then it'll loosen it up and you'll be able to shovel. I don't suggest taking the shoes off all the time, but for stuff like this, and if you don't have too many cracks, it's good to go. Like these sidewalks, I'm able to angle it all the way and get right on the sidewalk perfectly without hitting the grass. So. As soon as I hit the driveway, it kind of got underneath, but right here, it didn't really get the way the plow's angled and the angle of the sidewalks. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna go over it again, but I'm gonna go straight with the plow to at least cut in first, the first pass, and then I will start to angle it over this way. It's doing really good when the blade is just straight on. I got underneath it and it's getting it. Well, you can see it's just kind of really tough to work with. So pretty happy with that. This driveway is really smooth, so there's no cracks to worry about. If you have any sort of uneven driveway or surface, not having these shoes is going to be a pain in the butt. That worked really great. Just gonna finish up that spot with the shovel. This thing is sweet. This is the snow plow pusher shovel, so it's really nice. It's not really for lifting at all, and as long as the surface is smooth, you're good. But when you hit cracks, it's the worst. Like this, I'm gonna have to go and chop it up. Okay, so now we have a asphalt driveway, and I'm gonna see how this does versus the concrete. I feel like it might be a little stickier.